Hả? Ê. Nè cái đi. Ê. Bapak, ingat sih. Normal kisi saya 1 minit nih pakai. Soalnya kamu le. Anggur di harga anggur dong, nungtang dong di sini. Ini dong di. Omongka Redford, sini ya kerana ini nukoi tengok norok. Omo ekta pukhiri haise Raja Bairani agi tu kuman ing na oro. Sungguh saya apa nih kalau nukoi tengok Inggris ni amal ni building duita kainai. Omongka Victor, ani roommate ani dol. Omongkan baba. And that Sagar Debar ma bowan dol khum thangai tong bo. Khola nai tong fine mar wan nang. Oh bus kango. An Dara mang nei. Dara songni bomongka da Doranjit Riang tai Joy Riang. Dara song Dara masang graduate Motilal Nehru College ni Delhi University. Tabuk Bajirao Institute IAS coaching khai tongo. Abon pore temasa darangka Dara Joy Riang bo tabuk 3rd year ro BA khai tongo bo. Uyang onugoi tong tekese building. These are the evidences of Mughal architecture. And we are right inside the Red Fort, India, New Delhi, Independence Day wo oro flag hoistung. But amo fatarota. Sangka bising ni complex wo. Abo ang diliwa. Red Fort. Mai tong. And with sheer concentration, Mr. Victor Jamatia putting on his hair properly and with a victory signal. And this monument is also recognized as World Heritage Site. This is Red Fort of India, located in New Delhi. As you know, the Nawabs of India used to rule over this place. And you can see beautiful kids walking around here. And you can see this is posted as Hira Mahal. Basuka. Sungtabo Red Fort nai kifili tongo. These are the examples of Mughal graphics. They are quite expert in imprinting designs on walls and doors and metals. খাসকে খাই যা নালা Six minutes in live video no. Let it be, yeah.